every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you...
Guys, it's almost time for us to pass out. This is our JSC, and I'm going to man interrupted me. He thought I was looking at myself.
Before the launching out, I used to get the bags. I used to get the message that I could pay to go to house.
So guys, the last time you saw me, I was my way here. So this is me sitting in the hall listening to boring lectures. I wanted to read, but we couldn't. Obviously, we had to struggle for attendance, guys. This thing is tiring. Anyway, I shall sharp get that I am me. I've written my own, and I'm on my way to my house. I beg. Guys, I'm going on a food date because I'm tired of home cooked meal, and it's also been long I saw this my friend, so I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'll catch you guys when I finish dressing up.
That, you could bet that, never got a song that.
I be the rubber band, you be the match. I will be a few. Later, baby, you could be the view. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise a bet, cause you're the joker. Yo, you are the joke. If I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling.
I carry bitches like a prego. I don't know. TikTok will be the end of me because I don't know why I'm always singing songs that I don't know the full lyrics. I just sing the chorus just because, you know, TikTok. TikTok, yeah. My stupid heart. So many nights before, they were not better than. If we go down in flames. The way my skin is skinning because I use body oil. This and this baddest combo. I think I'm ready, but I want to film right now. I have a video pending that I need to record, so catch you guys when I'm on that date.